Namaste. Today, students, we are going to discuss about SAM 3 BA core course paper. Subject is English. We are going to discuss about paper 3, 4, 5 syllabus and exam scheme of examinations, the paper style also. We also know about just like SAM 1 and 2, we have a paper 1 and 2. Same as now in SAM 3 and 4, we have a paper 3, 4 and 5. So first of all, I would like to go on paper 3, core course paper 3, English. The name of the paper is British Fiction. You can just see also on the slide that there are 4 units. In unit 1, there are 2 topics: novel as a form of literature and second is different method of narration. However, we can also just see that there are 2 topics about the method and about the novel. The second unit is about the book which is written by Henry Fielding. The name is Joseph Andrews. Also, it's a one kind of live text, or it's a live work of Henry Fielding, how he experienced in his life, and then he jot down in his work Joseph Andrews. The third unit is about Animal Farm. The work Animal Farm is written by the George Orwell. However, we have lots of different type of character in Animal Farm as a symbol of human being. In Unit 4, you have 12 novelists. You must write about in which age he belongs, in which age he deals, then about his major works and his contributions to English literature, etc. You can just see that there are 12 novelists on this. Also, you can read and note down through the screen. You have 4 books which are recommended for you. You can just find also through the Wikipedia, through whenever just you have a time, you can come to the college in future and just collect these 4 books, and you have lots of options from that type of materials if you want from unit for the unit 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so it's the 4 units belong to the British fiction. The next is paper 4. The name of the paper 4 is Literary in English, Drama and Comedy. So in unit 1, there are 3 topics: what is comedy, theory of laughter and types of comedy. In unit 2, there is Ben Jonson, who wrote Every Man in His Humor. In future, we are going to learn about this work. In unit 3, Arms and the Men, who wrote GB Shaw, George Bernard Shaw. So it's a good work of the greatest writer GB Shaw. In unit 4, there are some works of English drama and comedy. So you are going to also write down about the form of work, who wrote this type of work, when it published, and what type of theme it had. So also You can note down from the screen about that type of works, and same as in paper 3, also in paper 4 you have 4 books for your recommended reading as a reference material. So it's about the paper 4. Now I would like to go on paper 5. So the name of paper 5 is literary criticism. So foundation course in literary criticism, same as in paper 3 and 4 you have also 4 units in paper 5. In unit 1 there are 3 topics. What is literary criticism, the second is function of criticism, the function of critics, then qualities of a good critic. So there are 3 topics in unit 1. Now in unit 2 there are the 2 greatest people or 2 greatest persons, person's story, their ideas, their views, and about their experiences. So one is about Plato's idea of arts and poetry. Second is Aristotle's theory of imitations. So these 2 topics will be taught by you, by me, for you. Unit 3, there are some literary terms you can read also on your screen, and these terms, literary terms, are very useful also in your future, after your graduations, during the graduations, and in future interview. Next, unit 4 is there is a poem which is unseen or which is learnt by you and which was learnt by you in future. Unit 4, appreciation of a poem. That means you can get one poems with the name of the writer, and you should try to appreciate it. You must write your own ideas, your own views about the poet, about the poem. So this is the 4 units about the SEM 3 paper 3, 4 and 5. So my dear students, in future we are here, we will be there with all the students about paper 3, 4 or 5.